Hello, Crazy Biters! Naka-encounter na ba mag-Sky Cafe nga affordable, open area ug nindot ihinga? Ta, mag-Crazy Bite ta. But anyway, I'm one of the crazy crew at Crazy Bite. For those Crazy Biters want to get there but don't know where Crazy Bite located in, no worries. This vid fits and you. I'm now located at Acacia near the Ross Night Market. Dayon, let's go straight ahead padung Santa Ana Elementary School, then at Bang Ana ang Land Bank. And as you can see, na ay pasulod. Kung kamo nag-commute, pwede ra kaayong masulod mga kabiters. Dayon, straight ahead lang yun until makita na nato ang signboard sa Crazy Bite. O kung mugikan sad ka, diri sa Gmall Bahada, sakay lang ka og ulas, baba kanto sobre kari or sales. Inig baba kanto sobre kari, diri ka banda sa right side, makita nimo ang PSA building. Tabok ana ang Maybank. Then tapad lang sa Maybank, you can directly go to entrance at Crazy Bite. Dayon sakay tag elevator, press 5th floor beside the call sign. Then after, sakaan pa nato nagginagmay, kita ninyo magkita ay.